In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a front brake job on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the bleeder from the caliper. Install a bottle with a hose to the bleeder. Open up the bleeder screw using a 10mm wrench. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver going through the caliper, pushing on the piston, pushing it back. Push the piston all the way in, close the bleeder screw, remove the bottle. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 caliper bolts. Get them both loose before removing. Remove the caliper. I'm going to use a hook to hook the caliper, and we're going to pull it up, and I'm going to hang it off of the strut tower so there's no tension hanging on the brake hose. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the pads from the bracket. Using an 18mm socket, remove the caliper bracket bolts. Get them both loose before removing. Remove the bolts and the bracket. Remove the tins from the bracket. Using a wire brush, clean the valleys. Anywhere where that tin's going to contact. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the caliper slides out. Do this one at a time. Wipe it down. I'm going to use a bit of silicone paste on the pins. Reinstall it into the boot. Work it around. Work the pin in and out. Do the same thing on the bottom one. The reason we do them one at a time is one will have a rubber. We don't want to lose the position on that. Do a skim coating of caliper grease on the valleys. Install the shims. Using a T30 bit on an impact driver, we're going to remove the rotor bolt. Remove the rotor. If it doesn't pop straight off, you can take a hammer, give it a bonk. If you have to hit it any harder than that, I recommend putting on a lug nut so it doesn't fly off when it does let go. Using a wire brush, clean the hub. Install the rotor backwards. Using a clean rag and some brake parts cleaner, we're going to spray down the outside of the rotor and wipe it down. Flip the rotor over. Do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put a bit of copper anti-seize on our rotor bolt. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Before installing the bracket bolts, clean off the old thread locker and install some new. Install the caliper bracket. Install the bolts. Torque the bracket bolts to 74 foot-pounds. Install the pads into the bracket. Put the squealer on the bottom inside. Remove the caliper from the hook and install it over the pads onto the bracket. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bolts to 21 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nut started by hand. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.